In this video, I will be reviewing the Spyrosity 3D crinkler from Quilling. This product was sent to me by Quilling, but these are my honest opinions. I have used Quilling products before, the Super Quiller and the Ultimate Border Buddy. It comes with the Spyro station and the coil launcher, (150) sticky back crinkle strips in so many colors, foam stickers in 4 colors, and sticky back googly eyes. (30 molds of 5 creative shapes, glue box, and an instruction manual. The Spyro station has 2 speed settings, fast and slow. To use the Spyro station, you have to insert a strip of paper and press the button. You can use any size of paper. Here, I used a 10 mm strip. The circle sizer here is very convenient. Now, let's compare a manual quilling tool to the Spyro station. The manual quilling tool took more than double the time of the Spyro station. Here you can see the number of strips needed for the different molds. Let's shape the coils. Let's create something. I am going to make the rocket. The instructions are very easy to follow. Follow the instructions and make all the coils needed. Let's expand the coils. I am using a regular glue instead of the glue ball. Add a sticker and your rocket is ready. Here are some of the many things you can make. I really like this product. It is very easy to use. It's extremely beginner friendly. To buy your own, check the link in the description box below. I will also be reviewing the Spyrosity refills. Thanks a lot for watching and don't forget to subscribe.